but it's pretty though.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Oh, we got some chicken coop.
Chicken coop.
In half a mile, turn right onto South Hatfield Road.
Hatfield, the Hatfields and McCoys.
What's that? Okay, we're walking to the Hemlock Cliffs. Let's see how I look. Okay, I look all right. Road trip realness, you know? Like the skin is glowing. But the outfit is not like, I mean, the outfit is fine. The outfit is fine. Can you see my shoes? My shoes are cute. Hold up, look at my shoes. Yes. Okay. Did you lock the door?
Oh no.
Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. Hemlock Cliffs. She didn't tell me it was like so forested. Oh, there might not be spider webs. Maybe I should bring the other tripod.
I don't think that there will be spider webs because there are other people that already walked through.
Okay. Do you think there's gonna be like something that'll eat us? I almost fell. I think you need to carry Vladimir. She said it wasn't that far. Oh, she meant this.
No, she means this. She said a waterfall.
That's not a waterfall. Babe. Okay, we might have to turn around. If I get stung, I'm gonna be pissed. It's a bird. She said, oh, it's just like walking from here to the barn. Do you think there's like rattlesnakes?
No.
I just want to see this cliff and go back to the car. This dense ass forest. Five minutes later.
SpongeBob boys.
Yeah. Oh, here's a cliff.
Oh, that's pretty, Sean.
What?
The waterfall.
Oh. There's nowhere for you to go.
Oh, right there, babe.
What do you mean right there?
We crossed right here.
That's a hella natural staircase. Are we going down?
Well, I want to see the waterfall first.
Okay.
You have to watch your step though, because it looks a little wet.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
White vans are not the proper choice.
Yeah, Leon's in white vans. Wow.
Wow.
That's okay.
That is nature.
That is nature. Okay. I'm using these roots. These roots for stability. Babe, because if I fell, oh my gosh.
Just end up rolling downstairs.
We just heard a story about a little boy falling 60 feet to his death. No, he didn't die, but he hurt himself, I'm assuming pretty badly. Oh, wow! Oh, that's cool.
That is gorgeous.
Yes, thank you, Lord, for this beautiful view.
Yeah.
Blessed be the fruit. Man! Oh! Let's go. I'm gonna go fast. Babe, give me the key. Oh, see, babe, this is what they were talking about, the honeycomb. Oh, we got a little workout in? Yes, who says we don't hike? Nobody, but. Excuse all my breathing. It's hot. Well, that was cute. My shoes are all fucked up. Very pretty though. Oh, man, it's just hot.